patudog tsaka do requirements. And nasabay, lumisan na awkabahan si Ma'am Caroline. Ayan, may impossible.
Last year, nauna yung college admission test ng CSU bago graduation. Kaya
graduation of 7 and 8 girls with a total of 10. I hereby petition the Office of the Public Schools District Supervisor to certify the completion of the requirements.
Curriculum prescribed by the department, you are given the opportunity, the chance, and for the privileges accorded to your region. Thank you.
Okay, graduates, tassel to the right.
Once again, congratulations, graduates.
Pagtapos, ang class of 2020, pagbalain din po ninyo ang aming mga magulang at guro na naging instrumento ng aming tagumpay. Suklian po ninyo ang kanilang sakripisyo, pagmamahal at walang sawang
Agdalot Lorraine E. Licayo, with honors, best in work immersion, top 2 outstanding immersionists, journalist of the year, loyalty awardee, Girl Scout of the year. Azucena Marginal E. Macaiba, with honors, leadership awardee, best in work immersion leadership awardee, journalist of the year, loyalty awardee, athlete of the year. Balagan Saralyn E. Abigibel, with honors, loyalty awardee. Valoran Hazel E. Alejandro, with honors, journalist of the year, loyalty awardee. Valoran Joyly E. Gimay, Girl Scout of the year. Valoran Julian E. Toscano, with honors.
By virtue of the authority vested in the Department of Education, through its Secretary Honorable Sunny, Schools Division Supervisor.
lahat po ito pinupull natin para siya pong ginagamit natin every time we come here in Sinunduan Valley. Okay, so yung mga sobra po yan, ibibigay po natin yan sa Masi Elementary School. Andiyan naman po si Sir. Pero, and the final part, hindi rin naman po natin tatapusin ang programa nang hindi natin mapapakinggan din ang kanyang panaginip at ang nila.
Loyalty awardee. Azucena Dr. Lero Jerry E. Ran. Azucena Realin E. Ligas, loyalty awardee and athlete of the year.
Kapanginayahan si Ginang Noemi P. Ruiz ng Royal Integrated School at Ginang Regian L. Capia ng San Juan Integrated School.
Good morning to everyone. It is my great present to you the graduates of San Juan